is the O sound, as in the words of, on, and from. It's a vowel sound, and its technical name is the open back rounded vowel. Remember that the key to pronunciation is physical, and the name tells us about how the sound is made physically. In this case, your tongue is low and at the back of your mouth. Rounded here means that your lips make a round shape, and in this case the mouth is also open a little bit. All vowels are made through the mouth and are voiced, so you need to vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It's similar to the or sound, but it's shorter, o, not or. To produce the sound, put your tongue low and back in your mouth, slightly push your lips together, and then make a short voiced sound. O, o, o. The O sound is normally spelled with the letter O, as in the words not and problem. But it can also be spelled with the letter A or AU, as in the words what and because. Like with all vowels in English, the spelling can be very inconsistent, and you'll always find alternative and unusual spellings of the vowel sounds. It's one of the most difficult things in English, but we just have to learn it. Here are some more examples of words with the O sound. Want, off, lot, and job. The O sound is a little unusual. It's not so common, so there are not so many examples. And it's not used at all in American English. In the American form of pronunciation, they use the sounds more similar to A or R, where in British pronunciation, sometimes we use O. So it's only really important if you specifically want to sound British. So that's it for the O sound. But we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds, vowels, diphthongs, consonant pairs and single consonants, as well as videos explaining the overall phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video with lots of examples and an explanation about how to pronounce that sound.